Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 3 secant of t. Because if I put this one going here, you got about 3 secant of t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. And later that we simplify by the square root. ds, we have the square root of number 3 secant of t tan t dt. Because first derivative of this one, you got about this one. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. The square root of number 3 secant of t simplified by this one in here. So this one we got about 3 secant of t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we got about tan t square. The square root of this one, we have the square root of number 3 tan t. Tan t with tan t, you got about tan t square. And we know that tan t square, that's about secant of t square minus 1. And the square root of number 3 we put outside. The integration of secant of t square, you got about tan t. Number 1, that's about t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. So we have t equals to arcsecant of this one. And I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.